All hail the beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm B, and on this channel we help you improve your confidence by way of compliments using the wonderful world of fragrance. If this is your second video or more, we ask that you hit the subscribe button and come back to rock with your boy. Now, statistically speaking, if you are watching this channel right now, then you have a mom. And with Mother's Day quickly approaching, I wanted to make sure a lot of you guys and girls out there were prepared. I know last year in 2020, some of you may have been able to slide and use COVID as an excuse for your gifts or lack thereof. But no, my friend, it will not work here in 2021. So your boy B is here to help you with this process. Now, I know that purchasing a gift can be a stressful process, but when done in time and when done correctly, you can really knock it out of the park. And if you're anything like me, when given a gift, you want to put your best foot forward. So today I'm going to give you some affordable luxury Mother's Day gift ideas. I mean, let's just call this the Mother's Day gift guide for men. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get down to big beard business. Now, I know things are beginning to lighten up a bit, but this first gift idea is one that I think allows that special someone, whether it's your mother or your loved one, to really represent in style. COVID-19 really struck us in 2020. In 2021, you can do things right. And the first thing up is a designer face mask. Yes, man, okay, don't be the average person wearing one of those disposable masks. How about using a reusable mask, specifically one like this here from Tom Ford? Not only does this Tom Ford mask come in a great box, it's really well packaged, okay? I don't really care about the box, but you may care about it for that special someone. Comes in a pouch like this, and they come in, I want to say, about 10 different colors, varying from black, like this one, purple, pink, and the list goes on. This one is a really nice quality mask. It feels good, and it really provides a luxury feel. And you don't have to go with Tom Ford. There are a number of other ones out there, but this is one of the more affordable high-end masks out there when it comes down to designers. Tom Ford is prominently displayed right there on the front. If you're really looking to up it a bit, Louis Vuitton carries some, and they think they start around 333 bucks. Don't get me wrong there, but you can get into game with something like this for 95 bucks. Well, less than $100, you're in the game with a super recognized brand. Only downside that I have with this one here, and you can really change it up here, is this long tag. Okay, so the tag really expands from one side right to the middle. You can easily cut that off if it's annoying to you, but there you have it, man. A face mask from a prominent luxury designer is a great way to really provide a gift if you're under stress. And why would you be under stress? Well, because buying gifts is stressful. All right, you want to put your best foot forward. And listen, man, Tom Ford is a great gift on any level. Now, our last gift was a byproduct of COVID-19. I know a lot of people are now working from home, but there are even more people who are returning back to office. And why not return to office in style and do things a little bit differently? This next gift is one that is really a nice gift for anyone who's looking to put down some thoughts or to really take some notes for work. And this one here is a luxury book. All right, this one here is from Louis Vuitton. This one is a limited edition one, which is done with Virgil Abloh, who is their creative director over there. And this one here is just super simple, man. The book there are available in a variety of colors. You have obviously the standard damier pattern here. This one is a little bit different. You have pink ones, and you can even get entry-level books there, or journals, or whatever you want to call them, for as low as, I believe, 65 bucks. Now, those are a little bit more difficult for them to keep in stock, but I think that this is a great way to provide a gift for someone who is a business professional, someone who's in school and really looking to journal in style. You can provide them something like this and be great Listen, this one here gets me looks and compliments anytime I pull this thing out, and it's not, this one is mine, okay? You can have this one, but there are a variety of different ones on their site that you can check out to figure out which one is going to be the best for the person that you have in mind. A luxury book, whether it's something like this, you have Mont Blancs available, you can go down to even something like Coach if you want, but this one here for me was a little under 300 bucks, I want to say, but again, you can get in the game for about 65 bucks or so, so make sure you hop on the site soon because, well, they don't last forever. And that, my friend, brings us to our next gift. And being a fragrance-based channel, if I did not mention a fragrance, I think that would be a little irresponsible. So that takes us to our next thing, which is to provide a luxury fragrance. Listen, if you're looking for one, you can save lots of money along the way by hollering at today's video sponsors, the good people over at FRAGRANCEUSA.com. If you know anything about me, then you know that I've been rocking with them for a while. All right, here's what I'll tell you about them. They're gonna have fast shipping because it's getting down to the wire. I know what you're thinking, yo, B, Mother's Day isn't until May 9th. I get it, but the way shipping goes these days, you want to make sure that you are getting things sooner than later. They are going to be great for this because they are packaging your orders on the same day. You're also going to get free shipping here in the continental US, which means that you have a little bit more coin to spend on some other items on their site. And it doesn't just stop there. If you're looking for niche fragrances like this one from the house of Creed, or if you're looking for some unique fragrances like this one here from the house of Tom Ford to match the Tom Ford face mask that you've purchased, you are looking at the correct place. Now on top of that, you're going to get even more steals and deals because you can use my code BIGBEARD10 to save an additional 10% off of your already discounted orders. Listen, I know what you're thinking, yo, B, once you smell one fragrance, you smell them all, right? Wrong. Be sure to holler at my people over at FRAGRANCEUSA.com because they have a huge variety of fragrances available that are growing and growing and growing. One of my personal favorites on their site right now is this Tom Ford sample set. You're going to get a few of the most popular fragrances that are out there, all really packaged up in one gift set, which they are known for when it comes down to the house of Tom Ford, and they have them available there. Personally, I have never seen this at any other place aside from Tom Ford itself, so be sure to holler at them because they have the game on lock. And if you need a little bit more advice on what fragrances to purchase, be sure to check out videos on my channel because I do have fragrances available for women as well to tell you all about which fragrances may work for them, or you can just hop on the site, man, check out some reviews and you should be good to go. Be sure to check out FRAGRANCEUSA.com. We're going to move on to the number 4 item on today's list as far as gifts go. We got them smelling good, now you have to get them looking good, and this one is the luxury makeup. All right, there are a number of brands out there when it comes down to La Mer, just more than I know for sure, so I won't act like I do, but there are a few that I've picked up for the misses over the years that you can really get into for some simple price points. Check out, for instance, this Tom Ford lipstick. Now this one here is a variety pack here, which I was able to mix and match and create. Back when I picked these up for the misses, I believe the collection was called Lips and Boys or something of that nature, and the price has changed a bit and the collections have changed a bit now as well. I think the collection is now called Boys and Girls Lipsticks. We're in 2021, so it makes sense, but originally they were lipsticks with boys' names on them. There's Derek, there's Vladimir, there's Trevor. So I don't know the complete story behind it, but this was a way to go. It was really simple, easy to mix and match, and I believe they had around 30 or 40 different ones within the collection there. I'm not sure how many they have today, but this is an easy item to pick up. Again, you're gonna get that name recognition, you're gonna be high-end, you're gonna be chic, and you can also not really break the bank along the way. I'm not sure if they still do this mix and match setup, but you can still go through and purchase as many as you like. Back then, I believe those were about 50 bucks. I think they're cheaper than that now. You might be able to get them between about 30 and 40 bucks. So that is an easy entry and access point, and it's different than your normal MAC or Ultra makeup, although there's some high-end stuff there as well. That is a great place to try. Also, one of the key things here when it comes down to lipsticks, I think the creme de la creme, or well, they at least cost the creme de la creme. These are Christian Louboutin lipsticks here. They are super weird. Not weird, but they're different because you can actually wear this around your neck. Now, I'm not sure if they still have these super readily available. Even when I purchased these in Saks, I had to order it. But here you go, man. All right, she could wear this around her neck if she was out at an event. Pull these things off and then reapply. Very simple process there, man. Nice packaging that comes along with it. And if you're going to go red bottoms, then you also have to make sure she got the red top here. All right, man. Super, super different. I haven't really come across people with this. I don't know how many people have this. All right. I just know that when I talked about it at Saks, when I was picking this thing up, people were like, oh, it's different. I wish I had it. So there you have it. All right. Super simple, man. I believe that each one of these was between 100 and 150 bucks. I don't remember. It's been quite a bit, and they may even be cheaper than that now. But an easy way into the game, you know, with the gift that she's probably not getting often. With the name that she's not getting often as well. So be sure to check these out because I think this is an easy way to add into your cool factor as a guy coming in like, hey, here you go, baby. I picked this out for you. And if you're having trouble with it, the ladies at the shops will help you out as well. Now, this one is going to be an honorable mention, so it won't take up a space here. But if you're putting a gift basket together for your wife, your mom, or that special someone, then look into something like this here. This one is a packaged popcorn. This is left over from my Christmas bags. I had a few of these that I gave out to people for Christmas. And this one comes from Berko's Popcorn. It is gold flaked popcorn. There's 22 karat gold popcorn within here. It's edible. This is the world's most expensive popcorn. It's called $1 billion popcorn. Look it up, man. I give these things away as gifts. They taste amazing as well. So if your lady's into popcorn, be sure to add one of these into the gift bag, man, because that's going to add that extra flair to it. Now, if you're looking to pick these things up, I'll give you a breakdown of cost. I believe one kernel, and obviously you're not going to give someone a gift for one kernel. One kernel is $5, but you want to get more than that because I think it's like $9 plus for shipping. But an 8-ounce bag is $25, but it goes from $5 all the way up to, I think, $500 or $2,500 for 10. So be sure to check them out, man. This is a easy luxury item, and it's affordable depending on which one you go to add it into a gift basket. And finally, the fifth and final item that I have here that's officially on today's list is something I actually don't have with me today. And this gift is one that is going to be extremely affordable, and when I say it, you're gonna be like, nope, no way possible. All right, and this is how you're going to do it. You're going to give her a trip around the world. Yep, I said it. You're thinking, B, that's going to cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. I don't have time. COVID, safety protocols. I get it. Calm down. It's not quite that way. So I know that 2020 was a lot of strain on a lot of people, and 2021 is not looking much different either. But one of the things that I think is super cool, if you visit Louis Vuitton, they have these city guides. All right, the city guides are about $37, and they are pretty big cities and destination areas across the globe. You have Prague, you have France, you have just a ton of places out there that people would often fancy and travel to if time and money prevented themselves. All right, if they had the opportunity to do that, you would do it. It's $37. You can grab a bunch of those and share. Hey, here's the travel. All right, you couldn't travel in 2020, so I'm bringing the world to you. That is a cool one. All right, I told you I'm gonna give you the world, and boom, there you go. Listen, I just gave you a gem. Man. Tell her you're gonna give it a whirl and gather all of the destinations. There you go. You can read through them, talk about it, and really plan out a true vacation around that. So those are 5 things that you can do if you want to really impress them with luxury items without breaking the bank and, making your pockets a little lighter this Mother's Day. Again, be sure to check out the creme de la creme, my people over at FRAGRANCEUSA.com, because they have everything you're looking for when it comes down to fragrances. Some high-end designer fragrances. They have those niche fragrances there as well. And again, you're saving coin, saving bank along the way. So you can either pay for a dinner, you can buy more roses, etc. So be sure to let them know I sent you by using that code Big Beard 10. I'm gonna save you additional 10% off of your order, and be sure to get on it sooner than later. That's all I have for you guys and girls today. If you have any additional gift ideas, feel free to comment down below, because I'm sure the world will love to know. As always, I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend that we are back again. And you already know what I need you to do. Just hit the goddamn bell.